In this unit, we touch on acceptability and repeatability standards as defined by the American Thoracic Society and European Respiratory Society. For more detailed coverage of these aspects of spirometry performance, please see TechEd Spirometry Performance, Error Recognition, and Reporting video. The patient should breathe into total lung capacity, then blow the air out hard and fast without hesitation. This means that no more than 5% of the forced vital capacity, or 150 milliliters, whichever is greater, should be expired prior to the peak flow. During the first second of expiration, patients should not close the glottis, obstruct the mouthpiece by the tongue or dentures, or allow any leaks. The patient should continue to blow out the one breath of air to residual volume for at least 6 seconds, and until there is no volume change for at least 1 second. Perform at least 3 acceptable forced vital capacity efforts and save the 3 best efforts for the report. After 3 acceptable efforts have been obtained, assess the efforts for repeatability. Consider the following acceptability questions after each trial. Was the start of test satisfactory? Was the expiration time 6 or more seconds? Or for children 10 years of age or younger, was there an expiration time of 3 or more seconds? Was the end of test criteria met? Did the patient understand the instructions? Was inspiration performed with maximum effort? Was expiration smooth and continuous? Was the effort maximal on expiration? According to the 2005 ATS-ERS recommendations, the 2 largest forced vital capacity values should agree within 150 milliliters. The 2 largest forced expiratory volume at the end of 1 second values should also agree within 150 milliliters. After 8 trials, report spirometry data if at least 1 acceptable maneuver is obtained. Always include appropriate comments upon completion of testing. For example, the patient was only able to perform 1 acceptable trial despite repeated instruction, coaching, and demonstration. Graphic displays of the best flow volume and volume time curves should also be a part of the report. Information about the spirometer used for testing should also be incorporated in the report, such as calibration results, the predicted reference set, NHANES 3, and the description of the unit. The interpreting physician should be able to review all trials performed during the spirometry session. The maximum air exhaled prior to peak flow should not be more than 5% of forced vital capacity, or 150 milliliters, the greater of the 2. The patient should blow out for at least 6 seconds, and until there is no volume change for a minimum of 1 second. At least 3 acceptable forced vital capacity efforts should be obtained during the testing session. Both the 2 largest forced vital capacity and forced expiratory volume at the end of 1 second values should agree within 150 milliliters. Report data if at least 1 acceptable maneuver is obtained over the course of 8 trials. Include information regarding the trials, even those that failed to meet acceptability guidelines, and patient cooperation. Provide graphic displays of the best flow volume and volume time curves.
Thank you for looking to TechEd for guidance as you strive to expand your knowledge and proficiency in the performance of spirometry. We recommend that you download the video's companion document for future reference. It is available online at techedconsultants.com. We also suggest you're joining us as we take a closer look at the post-test phase of spirometry testing in TechEd Spirometry, Performance, Air Recognition, and Reporting video. In this video, we begin with an overview of the pretest and testing phases, then introduce and examine important aspects of test acceptability, repeatability, and reporting. While visiting TechEd online, please look through our broad range of products and services and take advantage of the comprehensive list of respiratory-related resources. If you are interested in receiving CRCE credits for completing the spirometry performance training video, please sign into our site through the CRCE section and complete the post-test. And if you have further questions, comments, or suggestions on how we can assist you in the future, please feel free to contact us via phone or email. Again, I thank you, and all of us at TechEd look forward to working with you in the near future.